Hello everyone, my name is Van, the representative of Saskatchewan Polytechnic. Maybe you know Sask Polytech. Saskatchewan Polytechnic is only public polytechnic in Saskatchewan, very popular because of its high quality and hands-on learning. We offer around 50 postgraduate programs. And we have 4 campuses in 4 cities: Saskatoon, Regina, Moose Jaw, and Prince Albert. We currently have 17,000 students, in which there are around 5,000 international students. It's very famous with so many advantages, policies. First one, SINP Immigration Policy Program. This one supports the student to immigrate in Canada and in Saskatchewan after graduation. And the second benefit is free healthcare offered to international students. It means that you don't need to buy health insurance when you arrive in Saskatchewan. The third benefits like tax retention program. Up to 20,000 for the first year. So if you are interested in immigration or something or some other benefits that I mentioned, okay, please come to Saskatchewan and Sask Polytech. Hospitality, IT, business, mining, energy, manufacturing, human services, and transportation. We offer so many co-op programs and connect with so many companies in Saskatchewan. If you have any question related to Sask Polytech and its programs, please reach out to Pacific Premier. We currently offer a fee waiver to Thai students, so I hope to see you there. Welcome to Saskatchewan Polytechnic.